Now, fuse box location on Nissan Sentra, all generational 2006 to 2012 models. And the first fuse box is located inside here on the driver's side, and right here on the coin collector compartment right there. You pull it towards you, and then you pull it in like that to take it out. And once you take it out, you immediately find the first fuse box location. Right there you see all the fuses, and on the back of this coin collector you find the fuse diagram, the layout, all the fuses and their function. Now, to put the compartment back inside there, you just slide it in and then push it down inside its tab. Once I click there, it's easy, you just close it. Now, the second fuse box location, there is two in the engine compartment, and I'll show you here in a minute. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned because I'll keep you updated with all the fuse location, especially on to this particular on 2010 Nissan Sentra. Now, on the driver's side, there is this black box right here. You just pop these tabs right here. Once the cover is out, you access the next fuse box right here. It doesn't have much fuses, it has some fuses and some relays. Now, again, on the back of the cover, it gives you the fuse diagram and the layout of the fuse functions. Now, this vehicle comes with 3 fuse box location. So just next to this, just next to the first fuse box, you find this black cover, and you pop out these 4 tabs, and then you lift up the whole unit, and on the back of it you find something like this, or the fuses, a diagram, fuses diagram right there, and that make it the third fuse box location. I missed a recording on that one, but there you go, guys. Let me know what you think on the comment section. Thank you guys for your support. We are now at 7,000 subscribers. So if you haven't subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching and showing much support. Again, this is your guy, Jeff Carbuoy. See you on the comment section.